Congratulations on your purchase of iolo's Essential Protection Suite from HSN. In this video, I'll guide you through the installation process of the Protection Suite and delve into some of its powerful features. To get started, type in the following address into your web browser: https://smpessentials.iolo.com. Once you're on the page, click on the green Download Now button. When the file has finished downloading, please navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click on the systemmechanic_pro_dm.exe file. After downloading, follow the easy on-screen installation instructions to finish setting up iolo Essential Protection Suite on your PC. Next, enter your activation key. You can find your activation key printed on the product gift box you received. Now that you've entered your activation key, let's dive into some of the features of your new Protection Suite. System Mechanic's performance solution lets you fix and speed up your PC automatically. With its ingenious Active Care feature, all it takes is a simple click of a button to unleash its mighty scanning, fixing, and repairing prowess. Schedule Active Care to run as often as you'd like. Then, sit back, relax, and let System Mechanic do the heavy lifting while you enjoy peak PC performance. Protect your private life with Privacy Guardian. Customize or select predefined settings to control what Windows and third parties can learn about you. Turn on fingerprinting protection to stop online trackers from collecting your personal data while browsing online. Turn on real-time system protection with antivirus and shield your PC from malware, viruses, and spyware. Run full, quick, folder, or file-specific scans. Quarantine files, and create custom exclusions. We hope this video has been helpful, and we thank you again for purchasing the Essential Protection Suite from iolo. If you have difficulty installing or using the product, don't hesitate to contact us at 1-808-210-2089.